1. Break problems into step-by-step plans. 2. Be open to feedback and criticism. 3. Face your fears gradually. 4. Use visualization to stay motivated. 5. Focus on your strengths, not just weaknesses. 6. Learn to adapt to different situations. 7. Find comfort in routines during chaos. 8. Practice self-care regularly. 9. Take small steps when facing challenges. 10. Stay organized to reduce stress. 11. Find joy in the process, not just the outcome. 12. Cultivate a positive social circle. 13. Set realistic expectations for yourself. 14. Believe in yourself and your abilities. 15. Embrace uncertainty. It's a chance for growth. 16. Seek out diverse perspectives for problem solving. 17. Explore new hobbies to broaden your horizons. 18. Practice empathy to understand others' challenges. 19. Keep a challenge journal to track your progress. 20. Use positive mantras to stay motivated. 21. Create a vision board for your life goals. 22. Break your routine occasionally to spark creativity. 23. Focus on your emotional well-being. 24. Use technology to simplify complex tasks. 25. Prioritize self-care to recharge your energy. 26. Develop a strong sense of self-awareness. 27. Use humor to diffuse tense situations. 28. Practice gratitude even in tough times. 29. Break free from toxic relationships. 30. Seek out role models who inspire you.